Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color Mommy long legs. First, let's draw the shape of her face. Then, her curly, tangled noodle-like hair. Next, her eyes. Her lips. Let's add color to her eyes and inner mouth with black. I'm drawing her hair with high ponytail. Mommy Long Legs, the graceful and elegant character from Playtime Company who's always ready to lend a helping hand. Next, the shape of her upper body. Then, her long arms and hands. Mommy Long Legs is friendly with long, graceful legs that help her glide gracefully through the air. Let's draw the shape of her lower body. Then, her long legs and her shoes. Mommy Long Legs has a talent for dancing that's as mesmerizing as it is beautiful. And now, let's add color to Mommy Long Legs together. Her eye is green colored. Mommy Long Legs' face is pink. Her curly, tangled noodle-like hair is hot pink. Styled into a high ponytail using a light blue hair tie. Mommy Long Legs is always ready to lend a helping hand. Whether it's reaching high places with her long limbs or untangling a knot with her nimble fingers, she's the go-to for all your helping needs. Her dress is also hot pink colored. Her skin is pink. Her necklace and bracelet are light blue while her hand gloves are hot pink. Her legs are pink while her shoes are colored hot pink and blue. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.